Welcome to the VMS 3.1 How-To series. In this video, you'll learn how to enter continuing education and volunteer hours. You only receive credit for hours entered in a VMS. There are two easy ways to enter hours. From the home screen, click the Add Hours button located on the right-hand side. Or, on the left navigation bar, click the Hours tab. On the next screen, you'll see your hours listed. Go ahead and click on Add Hours. Using the drop-down menu, select the project to apply it to. Click No if it's not a calendared event, and type in the name manually. Webinar, Right Plant, Right Place. Click on the event date and select the date it occurred. Enter your continuing education hours to the nearest quarter hour. Do we have any contacts to report? No. And we're going to write a little note so in the future we'll know what webinar this was and who provided it. Click Save Hours. The next screen, you'll see our hours are saved. Let's move on to recording volunteer hours. Recording volunteer hours is just as easy as recording continuing education hours. Let's go ahead and add our hours from working the farmer's market. Select Add Hours from the home page. Apply to the project, Farmer's Market. It was a calendared event, so click Yes. And let's pick our event from the drop-down menu. Enter the number of volunteer hours we had to the nearest quarter hour. Let's enter mileage for tax purposes for ourselves. And I have some contacts I need to report, so let's click Yes. I'm going to enter my contacts and make sure not to double report. Double reporting can occur when you work the farmer's market with a partner and you both enter the same data. Make sure one of you enters the data and the other one doesn't. Or you can split the data and each enter half. Just make sure you're on the same page to avoid double reporting. Once you're done entering contacts, you can enter a comment and click the Save Hours button. The next page will display your saved hours in VMS.